What's going on, guys? I'm Elliot. This is Everything Elliot. It is another snowy day in Western New York. It seems like we never run out of snow. It just keeps coming. I've been using my Kubota L4701 with the snow pusher that I got from Homestead Implements. I love it, but I have one major complaint. We're going to discuss that today. So let's get to pushing some snow, and then we'll discuss how we're going to fix the problem that I kind of got myself into by not ordering it this way from the factory. Now, I should say this. They do offer a solution to the problem that I have. However, I didn't like the way that they solved that problem. So we're gonna go over how I'm gonna fix that eventually, but first, let's push some snow. And just to give you an idea, we've got about maybe probably 6, maybe 7 inches. So let's get to moving some of this snow around. So there it is. That is my biggest complaint about this snow pusher, back dragging. I mean, it seems like such a simple thing to figure out. What happens is every time it just spills over the side and then you leave windrows everywhere you go. Now, Homestead Implements does have a solution for this. They do offer a bar. Hold on, let me go turn the idle down. So like I was saying, Homestead Implements does offer a solution for this problem. They offer a bar that actually, you can see that there's actually holes drilled for it already that comes up and across and then back down. Now, when I purchased this, the only option they had for that was that bar came up, over, and down, but it also closed this off. So essentially, you had a box coming out and then down for your cutting edge right here. And I didn't really like that, because if you've seen my snow pushing, you can watch how much snow I really have to push up here. We get a lot of it. And I thought that with that box there, what it would do is it would prevent the snow from actually curling over. If they didn't have this top panel in here, the snow might be able to actually push over top of that cutting edge and still curl. Obviously, there'd be a little bit of resistance with the cutting edge, but I think it's the best option that I have. So it's my intention to actually build one myself. I'd come up with some flat plate right here to maybe some 2x2 square stock coming across, and then I'd get another rubber edge and just bolt that right to it. That way when the snow comes up and around, it hit that cutting edge and just continue to curl past it. If I put this whole cover on here, it'll stop it right here and won't let it come up any further. Now, I'll go push some more snow just to show you what I mean about how high the snow comes above the snow pusher. But if I could solve that back blading problem, I think this would be the best snow removal tool made for tractors. And maybe now Homestead offers just the back dragging cutting edge without that top cover. I don't know. I'd have to look at their website. Homestead, if you're watching this, I don't know. Maybe that's something you should offer if you don't. Just my 2 cents. I'm a nobody on YouTube, but that's what I would do. So, does it push snow? Absolutely. I mean, it's in the name, snow pusher. Pushes snow great. You can see a couple of times that I've lost traction, even with my 800-pound counterweight on the back. It's just, well, I should say this. A couple days ago, we got a couple, maybe an inch or two of rain on top of the snow-packed driveway I had. Made it like ice. I mean, you could have ice skate. Could have been like a, what do they call those? Ice dancer.
I'm a dancer.
Yeah, ice dancer. That's what they are. So that definitely attributes to the loss of traction. However, it still does the job. Since we don't have like 2 feet of snow, I like to bring all the snow up here. You saw in my first video when we had like 2 feet of snow, I pushed down the driveway across the road. I don't like doing that. It puts snow on the road. I think it might be illegal. So there's that. I try not to break the law, but it does great. And I think once we make that modification, I'm not gonna make it for this winter. That's gonna be a summer project. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. Subscribe, and then you'll be able to see the follow-up to it, how I make it. But that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna finish the driveway. Again, you've heard me say it before, the GoPros don't last in the wintertime. If you've guys got a camera that's got a battery that can last in the winter, if there's anybody out there that films in colder climates, if you've got a camera that a battery can last more than 20 minutes, make sure you leave a comment below, because man, I would love to get something that lasts a little bit longer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I've mentioned that a couple times. It would really help me out. I'd like to grow this channel, make it something that it could be. And if you haven't noticed, I'm a little nasally. I think I got the Decepticon Corona 2020, or what are we in now? Corona 2022, whatever variant we're on. Decepticon, Omnicrom, Decepticon, whatever it is. Anywho, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one.